MML Modular Manufacturing Limited. Due to growing site costs, urgency of building projects, availability of skilled labour and the growing demands of health and safety on site, there is a growing demand for modular buildings. Construction is maximised within controlled factory conditions, improving quality and reducing costs. Project times are substantially reduced, since many works can be carried out in parallel with one another. MML is a multinational company with a presence in most major cities in the world, from New York to the United Kingdom to Dubai, Singapore and Shanghai. MML have been designing and constructing high-specification modular buildings and products for over 30 years. From our vast manufacturing facility in Shanghai, we deliver integrated modular building solutions around the world. Taking experience gained from the last 3 decades and applying this to the building industry, MML produce a high-specification modular system which surpasses the requirements of building regulations around the world for fire resistance, energy consumption, sound transfer, and in many other areas required to meet today's stringent building standards. MML manufacture a number of different integrated modular building solutions for apartments, hotels, and many other types of buildings that require a fast, economical, and high-quality building solution. Let's look at a typical 300-room modular hotel for Dubai. The standard modules are built to order and fitted out in our factory using a skilled workforce under ideal manufacturing conditions. The modules and rooms within are fitted out with all pipes, cables, ventilation, lights and other services which are fully tested in the factory and ready to plug in and play upon arrival on site. Finishes are applied right down to the carpets, curtains, chairs and wall art, so that after a light freshen up and making the bed, the rooms can be used immediately after completion of the building. Whilst the process of planning, design and installation of site services and foundations has been taking place, MML has already produced all of the hotel rooms in Shanghai and is now shipping these to the site in Dubai. The site works which have been taking place in Dubai are fairly basic, with just the main services, service towers and stairs, along with the ground floor structure of the building being required before module installation can begin. When the structure is ready, the integrated module system is installed on site. The process of building 300 hotel rooms, which would normally take 18 months, is completed in just several months. With the fast-fix camlock method used by MML for over 30 years, the modules containing the hotel rooms are structurally fastened into final location in minutes. This process is repeated until all 150 modules, in this case, are locked into place. After minor hookup works between the modules and MML's seamless jointing system, the inside corridor and rooms appear to be a single building. Composite pre-constructed roof panels are then installed, which can be removed in the future to add more hotel room levels. The high-specification cladding is then installed using MML's specially designed fast application safety cladding system. All cladding systems are tested to meet the latest fire and structural integrity regulations. Different types and looks of cladding can be applied to the building to fit into the surroundings or to give the building its own strong identity. The building can have solar and other types of technology fitted to improve upon the already higher than required standard of environmentally friendly construction. MML have developed the modular building system in a way which is fully integrated with the building structure and services. This means that MML provide a system which is far more cost-effective, safer, faster, and of a higher quality than traditional building systems, whilst having the function and appearance of a traditional built system from the inside and outside upon completion. As can be seen walking through this corridor, the modules link seamlessly internally. The standard of design and specification, along with the rich colors and high quality of finishes in every room, makes it difficult to believe when entering your hotel room that it was constructed in a factory far away. Let's take a look at a building with a higher 15-story, 320-room hotel in London at the Docklands, utilizing similar techniques to the 7-story, 300-room hotel in Dubai. A more expensive land cost, thus smaller site, means a taller building, which is no issue for the MML Integrated Modular Building System. Similarly, with the 7-story hotel, the modules are designed, constructed and delivered whilst the site works are being made ready for their arrival. A normal high-rise site crane is utilized to lift the relatively lightweight modules into position, again taking days rather than months. The service connections are then made from each plug-and-play module to module. Electrical connections are made and tested. Pre-installed hot and cold water systems are joined. Black and grey drainage waste systems, sprinklers and hose reels are connected together and tested. Pre-installed ventilation systems are joined together with plug-in and play connections, connected to mains and tested. Final service inspections are undertaken and the building is now fully functional internally. Whilst the services are being connected, the external cladding is installed to provide a protective skin against the elements. As can be seen, a range of looks and identities can be given by use of clever design and utilization of high-specification, fire-retardant cladding systems. We can take a brief look now at the construction of a 30-story hotel in New York. More expensive land price, so an even taller building is required. In this case, a 400-room, 30-story hotel. Using the same concept of the MML Integrated Modular Building System, but with a downtown New York external look. This high-rise building is realized from conception to completion in 1 year. This cuts an average of 50% off a traditional build timeframe and produces substantial cost savings. The MML Integrated Modular Building System can be applied in any country, any city, anywhere in the world. MML Hotel and Apartments. We apply our modular technology to the building industry to provide a higher quality, simpler, faster, safer, and more economical and environmentally friendly end product to the building industry.